Here is a numerical type question. Work through the numbers carefully. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify sources of stereoisomerism in the compound ClCH is equal to CHC, Cl, H, CH is equal to CHCl. The compound is 1,7-dichloro-4-chloro-4-H-hepta-1,6-diene, or more precisely, the central carbon, C4, bears H, Cl, and 2CH is equal to CHCl substituents. There are three stereocenters stereoelements to consider. The central sp3 carbon, C4, bears H, Cl, CH is equal to CHCl, left arm, and CH is equal to CHCl, right arm. Since the two arms, CH is equal to CHCl, are identical in connectivity, this carbon is a pseudoasymmetric center if the arms differ in geometry, or a true chiral center if the arms are geometrically different. The left double bond, C1 is equal to C2, i.e., ClCH is equal to CH can be E or Z. The right double bond, C5 is equal to C6, i.e., CH is equal to CHCl, can be E or Z. Moving on to the next step. Count configurations. Each double bond contributes to geometric isomers, E or Z, giving 2 times 2 equals 4 combinations for the two double bonds, E, Z, Z, E, Z, Z. Moving on to the next step. Consider the central carbon. When both double bonds have the same geometry, E, or Z, Z, the two arms on the central carbon are identical, both ECH is equal to CHCl or both ZCH is equal to CHCl. The central carbon is not a chiral center because two of its substituents are the same. No additional stereoisomers from C4. When the double bonds have different geometry, E, Z, or Z, E, the two arms are different, one ECH is equal to CHCl and one ZCH is equal to CHCl. The central carbon now bears 4 different groups, H, Cl, E vinyl chloride, Z vinyl chloride, and is a true chiral center, giving R and S configurations. However, E, Z, with R at C4 and Z, E, with S at C4 are actually the same compound, mirror images that are equivalent by swapping the arm labels, and E, Z, with S and Z, E, with R are the same compound. So the E, Z, Z, E pair with C4 chirality gives 2 distinct stereoisomers, 1 pair of enantiomers, which counts as 2 stereoisomers. And for the final step, total count. E1 stereoisomer, C4 is not chiral, a chiral molecule. Z1 stereoisomer, C4 is not chiral, a chiral molecule. E, Z, Z, E, with R at C4, 1 stereoisomer. E, Z, Z, E, with S at C4, 1 stereoisomer, enantiomer of above. Total is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 stereoisomers. Therefore, the correct answer is 4. Therefore, the correct answer is 4.